Hello friends, welcome to our CATIA tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to make threads on a bolt or a nut in a nut. A manual threads that predefined threads you can add from this icon. Here we have all the threads options and tabs option. On a plate you can add from here. But if somehow you require a manual nut and bolt, not a standard one, then how to add those threads on a nut and bolt. For this bolt, for this nut I have made, I will add the link of this video which contains how to make this nut and bolt. For now, today I am just only telling how to make threads over there. Okay, so for threads we have to go to shape design. We can shape generative shape design. Okay, here we have this spiral, this helix. With the help of helix we will make those, but before that I have to make two or three things for reference. On this plane I am going to sketch. I need a central axis. For that I am making this line only, and I need a starting point of the helix. For that I am taking this point, which should be at the 20 mm from the vertical axis. As when I made this nut, I have taken the central distance would be 20 as 20. So for the video to I mentioned in the description link for the video to make this nut, how to make this nut. Today we are going to make threads. Okay, just center line and starting point. Now exit. Take this helix command from here, the starting point which we have made set this one, and the central axis it was arcing. It is arcing this. It is showing upward, so I will reverse the direction, increase the height about 50. Let us see from the front side if it is fine or not. Yes, open helix. I am going to edit. Okay, pitch angle I am increasing pitch to 2. Okay, you can increase much as per the requirement. When you are making manual, then whatever requirement you have, you can change. If there is some tap, then from here you can also change the tap angle. You can see changing in the helix. For now I am taking it as 0. This is clockwise or anti-clockwise, whatever rotation you want as per your requirement, it will be there. This is height, and revolutions are not required. When pitch is there, revolution is not be required. Then okay, our helix is made. Now again I am taking it to isometric view, and on this plane I am going to sketch. What will I sketch? The profile for the cut of the thread. So for that I am just making a little circle there on the same point, like this, and exit. Make zoom to fit. Come back to our mechanical design, part design. Now I will take this load command. Okay, profile is our circle, and the central curve is helix, and okay. Now you can see threads are there. You can see here we have the all the threads which we required. This is how a manual threading is done in a nut or a bolt. So that's all for today. If you want to know how to make this nut also, then you go to description and find the video link there and watch how to make nut and bolt. In that video we have both nut as well as bolt. So here the threading on the bolt will also be the same way, the like in this one. This was the nut. Hope you have understand how to make these threads, manual threads over the nut and bolt. If you need a standard thread, here we have threads and tab. You can choose any type of thread and tab threads which you required as per the requirements. And you have to put diameter, then we have metric pitch, metric thin pitch, whichever you want, you can choose it from here. So thank you very much. Meet in next video.